Welcome to a journey of colossal proportions. Today, we're diving into the pages of recorded history to explore the lives of the 10 heaviest individuals ever documented, from their struggles and triumphs to the incredible stories of their lives. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we venture into the extraordinary world of these remarkable individuals. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. So, number 10 in our list is Patrick Deuel, born on March 28, 1962, was known as one of the world's heaviest individuals. His life was featured in the documentary Half-Ton Man. Despite his peak weight of 486 kilograms, 1,071 pounds, he was malnourished due to a diet of junk food. After being extracted from his home and hospitalized, he underwent gastric bypass surgery and lost over 250 kilograms, 550 pounds. Prior to his weight issues, Deuel was an Eagle Scout and a restaurant manager. He had studied at Hastings College and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln.
Michael John Branco Jr. was an American man known for his extreme case of morbid obesity. Born in Brooklyn in 1953, he once weighed as much as 411 kilograms, 906 pounds. With the help of dieting and exercise coach Richard Simmons, he managed to reduce his weight to 90 kilograms, 200 pounds, and his waist size from 290 centimeters, 110 in, to 91 centimeters, 36 in 19 months. This incredible transformation earned him a spot in the Guinness Book of World Records for the highest recorded weight loss in 1990. Branco used his experience to advocate for dieting and exercise, appearing in infomercials and TV talk shows. However, his weight fluctuated dramatically over the years, reaching a peak of 499 kilograms, 1,100 pounds, in June 1999. He managed to lose weight again, but by March 2012, he weighed 250 kilograms, 550 pounds. Branco passed away on July 25, 2013.
Iman Ahmed Abd El-Adi, 1980 to 2017, an Egyptian woman, was considered the world's heaviest living woman and the second heaviest in history, with a record BMI of 251.1. Born in Alexandria, she weighed 5 kilograms at birth and had a thyroid problem that caused her to leave school. In 2017, she underwent successful bariatric surgery in Mumbai, India, led by Dr. Mafazal Lakdawala and his team. The goal was to reduce her weight to less than 100 kilograms over 3.5 years through 2 surgeries. She lost about 325 kilograms after the treatment in India. She moved to the UAE for long-term treatment in May 2017, where she was treated by a team of 20 doctors at Abu Dhabi's Burjeel Hospital. She had a cardiac issue and infected bed sores. Sadly, she passed away on September 25, 2017, due to complications from heart disease and kidney dysfunction.
Walter Hudson, one of history's heaviest men, weighed around 1,400 pounds, 635 kilograms. Born in Brooklyn in 1944, his life was a testament to human resilience. His love for food began in childhood, providing comfort amidst life's struggles, but also leading to his weight gain. A turning point came in his late 30s when a house fire led to the demolition of a wall for his rescue. This incident, which made national headlines, sparked Walter's determination to regain control of his health. With support, he lost over 700 pounds, 318 kilograms, through diet and exercise. Walter became an advocate for obesity awareness, inspiring others with his story of perseverance. His life serves as a powerful reminder of human resilience and the potential for change, showing that with determination and support, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome.
From 2006 to 2015, Robert Butler's weight saw a dramatic escalation. Initially weighing 408 kilograms, 899 pounds, in 2006, his weight had soared to over 1,000 pounds by April 2015. This significant increase necessitated his relocation from Providence to Cranston, Rhode Island, due to the logistical challenges posed by his size. Regrettably, Butler's health took a turn for the worse, and he passed away later in the same year. On July 8, 2015, he died at the age of 43 at the Eleanor Slater Hospital in Cranston, Rhode Island. By this time, his weight had further escalated, with reports suggesting he weighed approximately 1,200 pounds. His case garnered global attention, particularly when he required hospital transportation. A crane was employed to hoist him from his nursing home into a shipping container for the journey.
Carolyn Jger, 1960 to 1994, holds the record as the heaviest woman in history. Remarkably, she managed to lose 521 pounds in just 3 months without undergoing any surgical procedures. This significant weight loss was primarily due to fluid loss resulting from her medical conditions. Jger's struggle with obesity was compounded by an eating disorder, a consequence of traumatic experiences in her childhood. This led to a myriad of health complications and frequent hospital stays. Residing predominantly in Beecher, Michigan, Jger relied on the support of healthcare professionals and her family for her daily needs. As her health deteriorated, she eventually moved to a nursing home for more intensive care. Towards the end of her life, Jger became the subject of media attention, largely instigated by her boyfriend Larry Maxwell. This exploitation drew widespread criticism. Jger's untimely death was a result of kidney failure, a condition that was further aggravated by her obesity. Her life and struggles underscore the immense challenges faced by individuals suffering from extreme obesity.
Juan Pedro Franco Salis, a Mexican citizen, gained worldwide recognition in 2016 when he weighed approximately 594.8 kilograms, around 1,311 pounds, earning him the title of the world's heaviest person at that time. His life was fraught with health complications due to his severe obesity, which left him bedridden. However, he embarked on a transformative weight loss journey, shedding nearly 728 pounds by the age of 39 through a combination of surgical procedures and other medical treatments. Tragically, Juan Pedro Franco passed away at the age of 37 due to a heart attack. His life story is a testament to the human spirit's resilience in the face of extreme health challenges associated with obesity.
Manuel Yuri Bay, from San Nicolas de los Garza and battling obesity since his teens, moved to the U.S. after marrying in 1987, where his sedentary job and poor diet exacerbated his weight issues, leading to marital and emotional problems. Despite failing traditional weight loss methods, Yuri Bay lost 230 kilograms following the protein-rich zone diet after returning to Mexico and seeking help on TV. He planned, unsuccessfully, to start a foundation for nutritional education and inspired another obese man who died soon after. Yuri Bay married his second wife in 2008, celebrating his weight loss but remained largely immobile. The marriage ended before Yuri Bay's death in 2014 from liver failure at age 48, after which he was cremated in Monterrey.
Born on February 28, 1991, in Saudi Arabia, Khaled bin Mosen Shari was recognized as the heaviest living person at the age of 22, with a staggering BMI of 204. In August 2013, he tipped the scales at 610 kilograms, 1,340 pounds, 96 st, making him the second heaviest person in recorded history. In an effort to help him, Saudi King Abdullah commanded him to leave his home in Jizan and travel to King Fahd Medical City in Riyadh, the nation's capital. Here, He was to participate in a variety of dietary and physical programs designed to assist him in shedding weight. The weight loss journey was transformative for Khaled. For the first time in 5 years, he was able to walk in February 2016, albeit with the aid of a walker. By November 2017, he had shed an incredible 542 kilograms, 1,195 pounds, 85.4 st, bringing his weight down to 68 kilograms, 150 pounds, 10.7 st. His transformation journey concluded in January 2018, with his final surgeries to remove excess skin. His story is a testament to the power of determination and the human spirit.
You may not recognize the name, but John Brouwer-Minnick was a man of considerable size. In fact, he holds the record for being the heaviest human ever documented, tipping the scales at an astounding 1,400 pounds at his heaviest. Let's take a journey back to his early years. At the tender age of 12, John already tipped the scales at 294 pounds. By his 22nd birthday, he had ballooned to 500 pounds. As you might expect, his weight continued to rise steadily throughout his life. When he was 36 years old, John was admitted to the hospital due to heart problems and breathing difficulties. However, it wasn't all gloom and doom that year. He also tied the knot with his partner, Jeanette, and later became the proud father of 2 children. Despite these joyful events, John's weight continued to escalate, causing his body to retain excessive amounts of fluid. Transporting John was a monumental task, requiring over a dozen people and a specially designed stretcher. When he was admitted to the University of Washington Medical Center in Seattle, his weight was estimated to be over 1,400 pounds. It took a team of more than 10 staff members to simply roll him over for linen changes. After spending over 2 years in the hospital on a specialized low-calorie diet, John was discharged weighing 476 pounds. He had shed about 924 pounds, marking the largest human weight loss ever documented at that time. Unfortunately, he was readmitted to the hospital about a year later as his weight had rebounded. Tragically, John passed away in 1983 at the age of 41. His story serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of extreme weight gain.